Hey guys, welcome back to 4 Oaks Crafts. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make this beautiful wooden cross. So join with me and let's get started. Okay everybody, hey, I'm excited about this project because of course Easter's coming up and we got the wooden cross is a strong emblem of my faith, and I really wanted to make something beautiful. I'd seen these designs going around the internet and I thought I would make something similar based on the inspiration of those designs. And so I came up with a layered or a laminated cross. The inside here is made out of Padauk, which is an African hardwood, beautiful orange color, and then the outsides here made out of maple. Like any woodworking project, ran into a couple of challenges. Probably the biggest challenge was making this lap joint here in the middle. I had to use my table saw to do that, and I had to give it a couple of tries to get it right, but I finally did, and I'll show you how to do that in the video. The other challenge is getting these 45-degree cuts here on the miter saw. I use a jig that I use for picture frames. It came in very handy, and you just need to make sure that your miter saw is set exactly for 45-degree cuts. But other than that, this video is pretty simple as far as cutting out pieces of boards and gluing them together, getting the measurements just right, getting it all fitted together, and then coming back and sanding it and then applying a finish. And that's basically the gist of it. So let's go ahead and jump into the video.